From flooded basements to backed up sewage, our team of experienced plumbers has seen it all. Unfortunately, some homeowners just can't resist the urge for DIY plumbing. But no matter how exciting these projects may seem, when plumbing goes wrong, you'll wish you'd left it to the pros. DIY plumbing might seem like a great way to save money. However, the money you'll spend fixing your mistakes far outweighs the few dollars saved up front. For example, a small leak under the sink might seem like no big deal to fix, but if a pipe bursts or breaks, it can result in water spewing through your entire home. Water will seep into your floorboards and cause irreparable damage to your home structure. It's also important to remember that plumbing isn't just about fixing a problem. It's about finding the root cause and making sure it doesn't happen again. This takes professional experience and knowledge, which you won't find in any DIY guide. Ensuring your home is safe and sound is crucial to your family's health and happiness. Don't leave your peace of mind to chance. Call the professionals now. Contact Avalon Rooter for all your plumbing needs. 510-399-8744.